If you get the 3DS error, cannot display software on the SD card could not be accessed, the most probable fix, if your card was working fine earlier, is to clean it. I didn't play for a while on my 3DS, and when I tried to turn it on, it just wouldn't. It will just flash blue. When taking out the SD card, it will boot, and when inserting it back, it will just give me this error. I fixed my problem by cleaning my SD card with WD-40 contact cleaner and the microfiber cloth. You can also use isopropilic alcohol on a Q-tip. But warning, spray WD-40 contact cleaner, not regular WD-40. After cleaning the contacts, it worked just like before. But if it still doesn't work, even after cleaning the contacts on the SD card, blow into the SD card slot on your 3DS. Maybe you have some dust or debris in there. I hope this video helped. If it doesn't work, you can also try to connect the SD card into a computer to see if it works. If it doesn't, even after cleaning, then you might need a new SD card for your 3DS. If the computer can read it, you can try to reformat it to FAT32. You lose all the data on the SD card, but some people on Reddit say you might make it work again if you try it. But before that, try a different SD card in your 3DS. If even different SD cards aren't working with your 3DS, then maybe the card reader on your 3DS needs to be replaced or taken out and thoroughly cleaned.